wanted to tell you all that I am opening up an academy. I hope you guys are excited. So here's some info. So first, to get in, you have to have Snapchat, or you have to have, but mostly you have to have Snapchat. Sadly, you don't have Snapchat. You don't have to have both, but you at least have to have Snapchat. So, our academy is maybe a little bit, but we do not have academy name yet because we need somebody like strong to give us an academy name. So, a lot of people have been asking me like, I had an old account. I don't have it anymore. But I had an old account and so many people asking me, hey, you, do you by any chance, like, do you have like do you have an academy and stuff like I'm like, that's asking so small because the academy that I just joined, it's like, so, and I'm still going to be in that academy, but lessons are every day. You have to have TikTok, Snapchat. One little problem is, if you, like, don't get in, it's not everybody is always going to get to every single lesson. So if it's like hacking lesson and you weren't in the jumping lesson, then of course, since you weren't picked, I'm going to ask the people who were not picked to look at my list to see if they won. And whoever was not in there, I will pick to be part of the hacking lesson. I do arrange times, so if somebody can't make it, sadly, and there's only one time that I can actually do it at, but everybody else can't, then they just can't do the lesson and if this person has done it, that's fine. But okay. But yeah. So if you guys really don't own a horse, or if you say that you don't own a horse and you don't want to ride the horse, you're going to be riding Benjamin here at a lesson pony. He is such a loveling, and I love his jump. His jump's very easy, and if you have good posture, you're really meant for him because good posture with him makes the game prettier. But whoa, he did not jump that. We will go do it again. But all you guys really need to do is just have Snapchat, and you'll have to just comment your Snapchat username. Oh my goodness, okay. See you there, guys. Bye.